My name is Jarvis and I work in logistics. I was born in Mississippi and raised out here in Colorado. I went to high school out there, graduated, went to a trade school for a while, and met my wife, and I worked in retail for about 10 years. And after I was burnt out on retail for all that time, I wanted to find something else where I can feel like I'm making an impact, but not burning myself out every day. I used to work overnights in retail for 10 years straight, almost every day. So I was completely burned out at 5 years, and I went and hold another 4. So yeah, that's what brought me here, a change in atmosphere. Typically throughout the day, I begin my day with checking our shipping schedule to make sure everything is ready to go for shipments. Machines are wrapped and prepped and ready to go, and also what ancillary pieces need to be pulled, other pieces for the machine are ready to go. And once the list is done, then I start putting things together, wrapping machines, and helping out my teammates as much as I can as far as getting the other parts done. Outside of work, I love to watch sports, I love music, I love movies, spending time with my wife, my dog, hanging out with friends, barbecuing, things like that. Yeah, I love the barbecue. I should have put that higher on the list. I love working at Mark 7 because it's good to be a person and not just numbers. I like the fact that the higher ups here, they know your name, they know who you are, what you mean to them, the work that you do, it means something. It's not just something that you're just here. It's never anything like that. It's just, I love it. It's really good. It's a good feeling to have people know the work that you do and the impact that you're trying to make. And I think it's a great feeling. My name is Jarvis and I make clean cars.